Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan documents using your iPhone 16e. To scan documents, you can just open the Notes app. So I'm gonna go to the Notes app, then I'm gonna create a new note, but you can also use the previously created note. And now I'm gonna take a document and I'm gonna scan it by clicking on attachment button, scan documents, and now taking a photo of this document right here. Now it's automatically scanned. You can see here. You can scan more, or just click on save already. And now you can see this is your scanned document. And you also can press and hold to copy the text. But I don't know why it doesn't select it, but this is how it should all look. You can also, I think, press and hold on the whole image or click here. Okay, you can click here, then you can save it to files, for example. You can also share it or do anything else with it or print it out as well. So I'm gonna save it to files, click on save, and now as I go to the files, I should see it here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.